Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is Sandeep here. Welcome once again to my channel Realtor from Dubai. Today we are once again in MR's Dubai Creek Harbour because MR has come up with one fantastic offer which you should not miss. So in today's vlog I'm going to tell you about that offer, and I will also tell you about Dubai Creek Harbour community, the latest developments and updates about Dubai Creek Harbour. So let's begin. So as you can see, we are entering in Dubai Creek Harbour. So before giving you details about the offer, let me just quickly take you around Dubai Creek Harbour. I will show you what's the current state of development, and then I will tell you the offer. So now you can see right in front of your screen the under construction developments. These are the low-rise buildings on Dubai Creek Beach. So the structure is almost ready. The beach work is almost going on, and in front what you are seeing, these are the under construction buildings in the phase 2. So far almost 12 buildings are ready. 6 are already handed over 1 or 2 years back, and this second 6 buildings are getting handed over now. So the Creek Harbour by MR has a mix of products. It has 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartments. They have podium villas. Also they have some hotel apartments also under the brands of Address, Vida, Palace. So it's basically a very vibrant community, very close connected with the center of the city as well as Dubai International Airport. On your left, what you can see is the Cove building, which is right on the water, and it has the very fantastic views of Dubai Creek as well as downtown skyline. So we are now in the community. So left side are the phase 1 buildings which were delivered almost a year and a half back, Dubai Creek residences. On your right, these are the new buildings which are in this state of handover. These are 6 buildings: Creekside 18, Harbour Views and Creek Horizon. Now the handovers are going on for these buildings. So MR has come up with the offer on these buildings, also on the buildings which are getting ready by end of this year. I will tell you the offer towards the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now you can see they have done the community very well. Look at the infrastructure, the greenery. The building in front of you is the Address Harbour Point, one of the first address in Dubai Creek Harbour. So you can see the construction is in full swing. The Address Harbour Point is expected to be delivered by end of next year. Then you have the Grand, which is also getting delivered by next year. So these are the phase 1 buildings. You can take a closer look. They have a pretty good retail area on the ground floor, and also a connectivity from the basement parking as well, which is for the visitors. There is a Vida hotel in Dubai Creek that is called Vida Creek. It's already operational. That started operation almost 2 years back. So in Dubai Creek Harbour also you have Vida Creek Beach Hotel, a residential building. There you can get some units starting from around 2.2 million dirhams for a 2 bedroom and around 1.7 million dirhams for a 1 bedroom apartment with full uninterrupted view of Dubai Creek and downtown skyline. So the weather is pretty dusty today, so might be it is less visible, So that was the tour of Dubai Creek Harbour latest development for you. Now coming to the most important part, which is the offer. Now MR has come up with a very exclusive offer for this month, in which you can get possession of the ready to move in apartments by just paying 20% of the amount. Now remaining of the 80% you can pay into installment. Now this is the very interesting part. The remaining 80% you can pay into installments over 3 years, but there is one very good thing. The 30% you can pay in 3 years, and remaining 50% you will pay as the last installment towards the end of the 3rd year. So you can get the handover by just paying 20%, pay remaining 30% in 3 years, and last 50% you can pay at the end of 3rd year. Now that gives a very good benefit to you as an end user, or even if you are an investor, because it's a cash flow is very huge, and you can get that 50% mortgage from the bank as well. Now this offer is very exclusive, only for 3-bedroom apartments in Dubai Creek Harbour. The prices for 3-bedroom apartments are starting from around 2.6 million dirhams. So you might as well take the handover of your property by just paying roughly around 600 to 650,000 dirhams, depending on the apartment that you choose, and pay remaining in easy installments over a period of 3 years. So isn't that an amazing offer for someone who is an end user or someone who is an investor? Because if you are an investor, you can just rent this apartment out and pay the remaining installments from the rental income as well. If you want to know more about the Creek Harbour master plan or the show apartment of Dubai Creek Harbour, I will provide the link of my previous video in the description below, so that you can go and check out the master plan and show apartment of Dubai Creek Harbour. This offer, as I said, is very limited, and if you want more details about the availability of the apartments as well as the offer, you can contact me on my contact number, which is 97154-771-7848. You can also reach out to me on my Instagram handle, which is Realtor from Dubai. I hope you find this video informative and helpful. If you find this informative, do like the video, comment your feedbacks and suggestions in the comment box below, and share it with your friends and family so that they will also understand what an amazing offer MR is offering in Dubai Creek Harbour. If you feel I'm doing good content and good information about Dubai real estate, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because that will motivate me to make more such videos, indeed helping you to make a better and informed real estate decision in Dubai. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Thursday with yet another vlog, where you can find out about a new project, a new offer and new investment opportunity. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.